Hello everyone, this is Ajit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel CS Ajit. Now in this class we are going to learn how to create the Python program to check the given number is prime number or not. It means that in Python how to create the program to find given number is prime number or not. So first you have to know about the what is prime number. Okay, suppose that when a number divisible by 1 or itself, that number are prime number. It means some of the numbers are divisible by 1 or itself. So that types of numbers are called prime number. Now come on the program. How to write the Python script to find number is prime or not. The first statement is num equal to int input enter the number. Suppose that user gives the value of num is 7. 7 is the number which is divisible by 1 or itself. 1 is the number that is divisible by 1 or itself. 2 is the number that is divisible by 1 or itself. It means that there are several numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself. मैं इसको हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ. वह संख्या जो एक से कटे और खुद से कटे उसे हम लोग प्राइम नंबर बोलते हैं. तो here is the example of prime number. 7 is the prime number. Okay, so the value of num is 7. Now next is lim equal to num floor division by 2. Floor division. The use of floor division is it gives the quotient in the form of integer when we put the floor division. Okay, 7 divided by 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Here when we solve this bracket, num floor division by 2, the value of this bracket is 3. 3 plus 1, the value of lim is 4. Clear? Now next is the for I in range 2 comma lim. It's all about the range. 2 shows the initial value and the lim show the ending value. It means this statement will repeat 1 time, 2 times, because the initial value is 2 and the ending value is 4. The value of lim is what? 4. It means this statement will repeat 2 times. Okay, so num mod by I. What is the value of I? The value of I is 2 and the value of num is 7. When we divide the 7 by 2, here is the symbol of modulus. It gives the remainder. The remainder is 1. So the new value of rem is 1. Clear? Next, the first step we have completed. Come on the second step. The new value of I is 3. It means that 3 is divided by 7. 3 2s are 6. The remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. So come on the bottom. If rem equal to 0, it means the value of rem is what? 1. 1 is equal to 0. The condition is false. The condition is false. When the condition is false, it directly break this statement and come on the else section. So here it is, the output is 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Simply what you have to focus on these things. For I in a range, the initial value of I is 2 and the second value of I is 3. It means initial is 2 and the ending is 4. When we solve the num float division by 2, the value of num is 4 divided by 2. It means 7 divided by 2. 3 2 ja 6. The value of num is 3. When we solve this bracket, the whole value is 3. 3 plus 1 4. The new value of lim is 4. Is it clear? So it means that this statement will run 2 times. When the value of rem is 0, 0 equals to 0, it is not a prime number. When the value of rem is 1, it gives the number is a prime number. Okay. Now this procedure is the dry run. So come on the system dependent. Go to the run, select the run module. Here the statement, enter the statement 7. So 7 is your prime number. So this one is the simple procedure how you have to create the Python program to check the given number is prime number or not. If you are facing any problem, any difficulties, directly put your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe my channel.